Hello everyone and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here, my name is Eleftheria and today I'm going to show you how I built a cool little project, and in the description box you can find all the links with the things that I used. So without further ado, let's get started. This is a self-hosted URL shortener like Bitly or Dab with a real analytics dashboard, short links on one side and on the other. Genuinely click analytics, traffic over time, top references, countries, devices. Well, here on my profile you cannot see a lot of stuff as I was mostly experimenting, but all the things that I'm going to describe are doable, so I'm going to show you more examples as we go through. And here is the twist: I didn't click through any cloud console to build it. I described what I wanted to AI control plane called Zerops ZCP, and it provisioned the database, the cache, the queue, two services, and deployed the whole thing. Let me show you. I paste a long URL and instantly I get a shorter link with an optional custom slug, title, and expiry. There is a copy button and an auto-generated QR code, which is amazing. Down here is my links table, searchable, sortable with live click counts and status fields, active, expired, disabled. Click any link and you get its analytics, clicks over time, toggle hourly or daily, top reference, a country breakdown, browser split, a device, donut, total and unique visitors. And here is the important part. When someone hits a short link, the redirect does not write analytics in line. It looks up in the destination, cache first, database only a fallback, bumps a counter in Redis, drops the raw click into a NUT queue, and 302 redirects immediately. No heavy work on the hot path. The redirect stays fast no matter how much analytics we are connecting. So the architecture is 4 moving parts: a view frontend for the dashboard, a Node and TypeScript app that serves the dashboard API and the public redirect, Postgres as the source of truth, Valkey Redis compatible as the hot path, destination looks up, click counters and per IP rate limiting, NUTs as the queue, and a separate background worker. The worker consumes these raw clicks, enriches them, parsing the user agent into device and browser, resolving the IP to a country locally and hashing the IP for privacy, writes them to Postgres, rolls them up into hourly buckets for the charge, and reconciles those cache counters back into the database. All the heavy lifting stays off the request path. And now the part that actually excites me is that I didn't build any of those things alone or on my own. I did those with Zerops ZCP and of course Cloud Code, but you can connect your favorite AI. It doesn't have to be Cloud Code. You can work with Codex and Gravity, etc. So I described everything in plain English and it just built it for me. I'm still the engineer, I'm not a Vite coder. I can still review everything manually. I don't want AI to do everything for me. I want to take a part on that process. To summarize, we have the Postgres, Valkey, and NUTs, plus the app and worker services. It wired every connection string and credential between them automatically through environmental variables. It spun up dev servers with live reload so I could iterate, and when I was done, it prompted everything to a supervised, always on deployment with public URL in a couple of commands. So no YAL, no anything weird, no dashboard clicking. I described the system and ZCP runs the platform. That's the real infrastructure-backed URL shortener with Postgres, Redis, a queue, and a worker. Everything that I described is done with ZCP, and I will leave again everything in the description below. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a comment or a like. And something else that I wanted to ask you is if you have any feedback for this type of videos, kindly let me know, as I've done, I think, like 6-7 videos explaining my short projects, but let me know if you want to see more, if you want to see more details, or if there is anything else that might interest you. Thank you, and see you soon with another video. Bye!